Very pleasant times, dear friends. So, today I'll be taking you to the manufacturing process of a beautiful pet cage. Pet cage, it's meant for a dog. So, the foundation is the main important thing for each and everything. Every work foundation is a must. So, in our work also, the foundation is should be the best one. So, we are using the best GI pipes possible, and it's in heavy gauge so that the weight can be completely distributed in the cage. And this is the main important part in any cage making is the foundation. So, after that, we'll put the tray inside and see that the tray starts seated correctly, because four trays have to be there, easily handling for handling purposes. And even this middle bar, you can see from left, middle and right, that all the bars should be perfectly placed so that the floor matting can be placed in a very perfect way. So this is a main important part, and it takes a lot of time because measurement, corrections and everything should be perfect in every way, because on this only the complete cage is placed. So the thing is that after placing the floor mat, you can well see it's well seated, and even the beauty is enhanced up before painting only. So this is the floor mat which comes in a very durable for pets. It has a paw shaped print on that so that the dog doesn't slip up. And we after making it, when we take it outside with other frames what we have done in net cages, you can see this cages become beautiful to look at. It's very big also, because it's kept for the living room. It's for the living room, so it's a complete wheel. We have placed a wheel on it so that rolling by anyone is quite simple. The cage is quite big because 5 feet length, 4 feet breadth and 6 feet height. And they needed such a big cage because they love their pet very much. So we have made a main door and the big door and a small door for pet food handling. And as you well see that the cage is very easily movable from right to left or any direction. It moves very simply. And here the perfection of the product is looking great because it's quite big and beautiful. We put a tag, and above that there's a complete dismantle cage. It can be opened, 5 sides can be opened individually with nut and bolt. So before that we put a tag on it so that it's completely perfect. And after that we take the cage to the sunny day, and where you can inspect each and every point that everything is perfectly fitted. So only when perfectly fitted and we are sure that it's all okay and perfect, we start painting work. And even the painting works is done in a very beautiful way only, because you can well see out here that each and every portion is perfect now. Now we'll start our painting. Painting is with a beautiful rough rust shield paint, and it doesn't allow the rust to get into it easily, and it is painted very beautifully without any look points or any side leaving up. This is the base. Once again the side is there, you can see the wheel. Again the side net is there. Down and up both we paint in a perfect way. Always there is no compromise in doing anything, whether it is welding, whether it is metal, or whether it is painting. And after that the main important part is the base lamination, where no water can enter in the metal, so that it will start. You don't have got an acidic media. When it touch the iron, it start rusting. So we have to protect it. We have put an OHP sheet or little thicker sheet are there. We put a double sheet type, and we laid such a way that whatever water or whatever urine comes out, it just slips to the tray, not to the metal. That's the most important thing in every cage making, because we extend in warranty for 5 years, so it's have to be looked. After that we lay the complete floor matting in a very tight way before shipping the product, and we look that it's perfectly placed, and you can well see all is just perfect in every way, whether it is painting, whether dimension is there, the metal what you have used, the floor, everything is just superb. So the vehicle will be coming very soon, and we'll be shifting the cage to the client, and the client will love it because they have got a transferable job. And here you can see the cage is so beautifully well placed inside the room that the dog, dear dog, and because it's very lovely dog for them, it's called Butter. So the Butter is being placed inside just by opening and putting a bone. He just went inside. He's little confused because he was tied up, and now he has got a home to sleep and eat. And we have you can just witness the small door out here with all steel accessories are used, and even the steel bowl is there so that the easily handling of feeding is there. And even for water what we have done, we have taken a steel bucket with a steel hook, so that the dogs normally what they like to just scratch upon water with their paws, so that's very difficult when they go somewhere else. So we have put a steel hook in the location where the dog can get, and the steel bucket with water, so that paws, even their paws gets in, it won't be able to just drop it down. So this is the cage. Hope you all enjoy. The cage is really beautiful. Uh, what to say? We all make out here only. So any type of manufacturing or any shapes can be made out here, and it's looking beautiful with all the steel accessories, the steel cage, the trays, and he's loving it. So please do love dogs. please do love pets. So keep loving them, and thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Many more things are coming. Just follow us, and we'll be very glad to show you the different aspects and different ways of how pets can be kept in a very beautiful way. So once again, thank you so much. So God bless you all, and really take care of yourself. Take care. Bye bye.